Hello everyone. Welcome to English Listening. Don't forget to subscribe to improve your English now. Today I want to tell you about what is the importance of English language. Learning English can improve your life better and open new opportunities. The importance of the English language. English is one of the most important languages in the world. Many people speak English in different countries. It is a global language used in business, education, travel, and daily life. Learning English helps people connect with others, find better jobs, and understand the world. English in communication. English is the main language for international communication. People from different countries use English to talk to each other. When you learn English, you can make new friends, send emails, and talk to people online. English in education. Many schools and universities use English for teaching. If you know English, you can read books, watch educational videos, and learn new skills easily. Many great books, websites, and courses are in English. English in travel. When you travel to another country, English helps you communicate. Most signs, maps, and airport information are in English. If you can speak English, it is easier to ask for help and understand directions. English for jobs. Many companies want workers who can speak English. Knowing English can help you get a good job and earn more money. Business meetings, emails, and international work often use English. How to learn English. Learning English takes time and practice. Here are some simple tips to learn English. 1. Listening. Learning English by listening is a great way to improve your understanding and pronunciation. Here are some simple steps to help you. Listen to easy English. Start with simple and slow English materials, so you can watch in this channel, English Listening. If you make sure that you want to improve your English, you can subscribe my channel right now. Use subtitles. First, listen with subtitles to understand the words. Then, listen without subtitles to train your ears. Repeat and imitate. Listen to a sentence, then pause and repeat. Try to copy the pronunciation and rhythm. Listen to English songs. Choose slow songs with clear lyrics, e.g., Perfect by Ed Sheeran. Read the lyrics and sing along. Watch movies and TV shows. Start with cartoons or simple shows, e.g., Peppa Pig or Friends. Watch first with subtitles, then try without. Listen every day. Even 10 to 15 minutes daily will help. You can listen while walking, cooking, or before sleeping. Example listening practice. Step 1. Listen to this sentence. I wake up at 7 a.m. every day. Step 2. Repeat it slowly. I wake up at 7 a.m. every day. Step 3. Say it faster, like a native speaker. Two. Reading. Learning English by reading is a great way to improve your vocabulary and understanding. Here are some simple steps to help you. Start with easy English books. Choose books that are simple and fun to read. Some good options are children's books, e.g., The Very Hungry Caterpillar, short stories, e.g., Aesop's Fables, graded readers, books written for English learners. Read with pictures. Books with pictures help you understand words without needing to translate. Read out loud. Say the words loudly to practice pronunciation. This helps you remember words better. Use a dictionary. If you see a new word, try to guess the meaning first. Then, check the meaning in an English dictionary, e.g., Cambridge Dictionary. Read every day. Start with 5 to 10 minutes per day. Increase your reading time slowly. Read different materials. Besides books, you can read comics, e.g., Garfield, Peanuts, news websites for learners, e.g., BBC Learning English News, short online stories, e.g., Storyberries. Example reading practice. 1. Read this sentence. Tom is a boy. He has a cat. The cat is black. 2. Underline new words, e.g., black. 3. Try to guess the meaning. 4. Check the dictionary if needed. 5. Read the sentence out loud. 3. Writing. Learning English by writing is a great way to improve your grammar, vocabulary, and sentence structure. Here are some easy steps to help you. Start with simple sentences. Write short and easy sentences first. Example 1. I like apples. 2. My name is Anna. 3. I live in India. Keep a daily journal. Write about your day in a notebook. Example 1. Today, I woke up at 7 a.m. 2. I ate bread for breakfast. 3. Then, I went to work. Use pictures to write. Look at a picture and write what you see. Example, for a picture of a cat. This is a cat. It is brown. It is sleeping on a chair. Write and check mistakes. After writing, check for mistakes. You can use Grammarly or ask a friend, teacher. Practice writing messages. Send simple text messages in English. Example, Hi, how are you? Let's meet tomorrow at 5 p.m. Write stories or dialogues. Example, short story, Tom is a boy. He has a red ball. He plays in the park. Example, dialogue, Anna, hello. How are you? Ben, I am good. And you? Anna, I am fine. Try to write every day. Even 5 to 10 minutes of writing will help you improve. 4. Speaking. How to learn English by speaking. For beginners, speaking is one of the best ways to improve your English. Here are some easy steps. Start with simple sentences. Use short and easy sentences first. Example, hello, my name is Anna. I like pizza. I live in India. Speak every day. Talk to yourself in English. Example, when cooking, say, I am making rice. Now, I will add salt. Use a mirror method. Stand in front of a mirror and talk. Example, look in the mirror and say, hello, my name is John. Today, I feel happy. Practice with a friend. Find a friend who speaks English. Ask simple questions. You, what is your favorite food? Friend, I like pasta. What about you? Listen and repeat, shadowing technique. Listen to a video, podcast, or song. Repeat the words like a native speaker. Example, listen to a sentence like, how are you, and repeat it. Think in English. Don't translate from your language. Try to think directly in English. Example, if you see a cat, say in your mind, that is a black cat. Join online speaking groups. Use apps like Cambly, HelloTalk, or Tandem to talk with people. Record your voice. Speak and record your voice. Listen to your mistakes and try again. Example speaking practice. Self-introduction. Hello, my name is Sarah. I am 25 years old. I live in Canada. Daily conversation. You, good morning. How are you? Friend, I'm good. How about you? 5. Watching. Watching videos, movies and TV shows is a fun way to learn English. Here are some easy steps to help you. Choose simple videos. Start with cartoons or easy English videos. Use subtitles. First, watch with subtitles to understand. Then, watch without subtitles to practice listening. Repeat and imitate, copy the speaker. Listen to a sentence, then pause and repeat. Try to say it like the speaker. Example, listen. How are you? Pause and say, how are you? Watch with a notebook. Write down new words and their meanings. Example, word, exciting meaning, very fun. Word, delicious meaning, very tasty. Watch every day. Even 10 to 15 minutes daily can help. You can watch while eating, resting, or before sleeping. Watch different types of videos. Try watching English vlogs, daily life videos, cooking shows, learn food words, movies and TV shows. Start with simple ones. Watch and answer questions. Example video, Peppa Pig goes to school. Ask yourself, where did Peppa go? She went to school. Who was with her? Her friends. Example watching practice. 1. Watch a short video, 2 to 3 minutes. 2. Listen carefully and try to understand. 3. Repeat new words and sentences. 4. Write down one sentence you learned.